Hey there, fellow piping enthusiasts and industry professionals. Ever wondered how modern pipelines are designed with such precision? Today, we're diving into the world of 3D piping modeling. This technology is changing the game in our industry, and you'll want to know all about it. So, grab your hard hats, and let's explore how 3D modeling is reshaping piping engineering. First, let's break down what 3D piping modeling actually is. It's a computer-aided design process that creates detailed three-dimensional representations of piping systems. These models show every pipe, valve, and fitting in a project. They give us a complete picture of how everything fits together. Now, why is this so important? Well, imagine trying to build a complex piping system using only 2D drawings. It's like trying to assemble a puzzle without seeing the full picture. 3D modeling changes all that. Let's look at the key benefits of 3D piping modeling. Improved accuracy. With 3D models, we can see potential clashes or interferences before construction begins. This means fewer errors and less rework on site. For example, a recent project saved over $100,000 by identifying and resolving conflicts early. Better visualization. 3D models help everyone understand the design more easily. Engineers, clients, and construction teams can all see exactly how the system will look. This improves communication and reduces misunderstandings. Efficient design process. 3D modeling software allows for quick modifications and updates. Changes can be made and viewed in real time, speeding up the design process. A task that used to take days can now be completed in hours. Cost savings. By identifying issues early, we reduce material waste and construction delays. This leads to significant cost savings throughout the project lifecycle. Enhanced safety. 3D models help identify potential safety hazards before construction begins. This allows for safer designs and improved risk management. Now let's walk through the basic steps of creating a 3D piping model. Step 1. Gather project requirements and specifications. This includes understanding the process flow, space constraints, and equipment details. Step 2. Create a basic layout using 3D modeling software. Popular tools include AutoCAD Plant 3D, AVEVA E3D, PDM's S3D. Step 3. Add detailed components like pipes, valves, and fittings. Each element is placed precisely where it will be in the real world. Step 4. Run clash detection to identify any conflicts between components. This step is crucial for preventing issues during construction. Step 5. Make necessary adjustments based on clash detection results. This might involve rerouting pipes or relocating equipment. Step 6. Generate detailed drawings and reports from the 3D model. These documents are used for fabrication, construction, and project management. Let's look at a real-world example of how 3D piping modeling made a difference. A chemical plant expansion project was facing delays and budget overruns. The team decided to implement 3D piping modeling halfway through the project. Within weeks, they identified over 200 clashes that would have caused major issues on site. By resolving these conflicts virtually, they saved an estimated 12 weeks of construction time. The project was completed on schedule and under budget, thanks to 3D modeling. Now, you might be wondering about the challenges of implementing 3D piping modeling. Here are a few common hurdles. Initial investment in software and training can be significant. However, the long-term benefits often outweigh these costs. There's a learning curve for teams used to working with 2D drawings. This requires patience and ongoing training, ensuring all team members have access to the necessary hardware and software. This can be especially challenging for larger distributed teams. Despite these challenges, the industry is moving towards widespread adoption of 3D modeling. It's becoming a standard practice in many sectors, including oil and gas, chemical processing, and water treatment. As we look to the future, 3D piping modeling is set to become even more powerful. Integration with virtual and augmented reality for immersive design reviews. Artificial intelligence to suggest optimal piping routes and layouts. Cloud-based collaboration tools for real-time global teamwork. These advancements will further enhance the efficiency and accuracy of piping design. So there you have it, the world of 3D piping modeling explained. It's clear that this technology is revolutionizing our industry. From improved accuracy to cost savings, the benefits are substantial. As piping professionals, embracing this technology is key to staying competitive. What are your thoughts on 3D piping modeling? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into piping engineering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.